The new BMW 545e xDrive sedan, combined fuel consumption, 2.4-2.1 L/100 km, combined power consumption, 16.3-15.3 kWh/100 km, combined CO2 emissions, 5449 g/km, * features a synchronous electric motor delivering a maximum power output of 80 kW/109 HP, which is combined with an efficient straight 6-cylinder petrol engine with BMW TwinPower Turbo Technology and 210 kW/286 HP, together generating an overall system output of 290 kW/394 HP. Power is distributed as required to all four wheels via an 8-speed Steptronic transmission and intelligent BMW xDrive 4-wheel drive. Maximum system torque is 600 Nm and top speed is reached at 250 km per hour, whilst a speed of 140 km per hour is possible in purely electric operation. From a standstill, the new BMW 545e xDrive accelerates to a speed of 100 km per hour in just 4.7 seconds. Thus, the BMW 545